Hello friends, welcome once again to our channel. My name is Elijah, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the if function where you have multiple logical tests. So let's dive right in and see how it is done. Now right here you can see my spreadsheet from the last video, and last time we just had two comments, that is a pass or fail. In this video we spice up things a notch higher by looking at a scenario where we would like to have more than two comments. Let's say we are doing a grading system with three grades, that is excellent, good, and fair. Now I'll do it in the next column here. So let me say comments 1. So as usual, we'll start with the equal sign followed by if. When we open the bracket, we need to set the first logical test. Now in this case, I'm going to start from the top coming down. So I'll start with a test that will either give us excellent, and then as I come down until the test that shall give us fair. So we are coming from excellent to good to fair in that order. So let's say those who get 80 and above get the comment excellent. So we put up the test, that is B2 greater than or equal to 80, comma, and then we say excellent. Close our quote, and once we put the next comma, we now come to the value if false. That is to mean if the score is not greater or equal to 80, what then do we do next? Now in this case, we have again to do another logical test, and therefore we again start with another if. We open the bracket, and then here we put our second logical test, and let's say those who get 50 and above will get the comment good. And so we say B2 greater than or equal to 50, comma, in quotes we say good, and we close the quotes. Now at this point, those will get from 50 up to 79. That is, if you are above 50 but that you don't qualify for excellent, then you get good. Now what if you don't qualify for both excellent and good? Then automatically being below 50 gives you the comment fair. Now let's look again at our formula, our function. We have two logical tests, the first one being B2 greater or equal to 80, and the second one B2 greater or equal to 50. So the first one gives you the excellent comment, that is if you pass for the first one. The second one, after having failed for the first one, the second one gives you good if you pass for it. But if you don't again pass for the second one, then automatically you get fair. Now you notice we have two logical tests but three comments. So notice that always in this kind of scenario, the number of logical tests will be one less than the number of comments. And so after doing that, the next thing that is very important is that we need to close all our brackets to complete our function. Looking at our function, we have 1, 2 open brackets, and so as we close our brackets, we need to close 1 and close 2. Another trick to know when you've closed all your brackets is that the last bracket is always a black one. Give me a thumbs up for that. The last bracket is always a black one. So if you have as many brackets as you can have open, just close until you get to the black closing bracket, and you know you've reached the end. So after that, we press enter, and obviously Jen, having 90, gets excellent. To get for the others, we drag from the bottom right corner of the current cell, and John gets good because he is at 60, which is above 50 but not above 80, so gets a good. And Joe, having 20 less than 50, gets fair. So that is it, guys. simple one, and you can have as many logical tests and as many comments, but just keep it simple. Make sure you close all the brackets, make sure you have all the commas, all the quotation marks, and everything will be okay. That is it for this video. Feel free to share, like, and subscribe. We shall do something else in the next video.